Hi, it's Steve Karen with RE/MAX. I want to talk to you today about low down payments and no down payment programs. First, some definitions for you. We'll be talking about down payment, which is the actual money that you would need to use of your own money on a house to put down in the transaction. Closing costs are fees that are charged by a lender to a buyer. Sometimes these fees can be paid on behalf of the buyer by a seller. Fixed rate is a rate that doesn't change for the life of the loan, so it stays at one rate the entire life of the loan. Debt ratio is a calculation of all your loans on a monthly basis, and then we subtract that from your gross monthly wages, and that's where you get your debt ratio. And then the last term I wanted to talk to you about is private mortgage insurance. And that's a monthly fee that's charged by a lender in lieu of the borrower not having 20% down on the loan. It's very common for buyers not to have 20% down. And that's what we're talking about with the programs today. We're talking about programs that have 3% down, 2% down, and the biggest program that many people use is the FHA program, the Federal Housing Administration loan. It's 3.5% down, in which you also can take some money back on that. So it really comes down to about a 2% down loan. FHA is great because it is the most forgiving on your debt, so you can carry the most debt, and it is also the most forgiving on credit, so you can even get a loan with as low as a 600 credit score with FHA. So it's an outstanding program. Another really good program that we have here in Tennessee is the Tennessee housing loans, which can be down as little as 3.5% down, but you can also combine that with an educational program and a second loan, second mortgage, and you can have actually no money down. So that's a really, really good program to use. That's called Tennessee Housing. Two entities here, bank, one of them is BB&T, has a great program with 3% down, or no money down depending upon your financial qualifications. Major benefit of the BB&T program is there's no PMI, so there's no extra premium or payment on your loan because you don't have 20% down. So that's a real good one too. Wells Fargo, big national lender, also has a payment program like that called the Development Program, Community Development Program, and that's a 2% down, also no PMI on that program too as well. So if you're looking for your first condo or your first house, there's a multitude of programs out there. Just wanted to give you a little clarification on that today. And as always, email, text, or call anytime. It would be a pleasure for me to answer questions or to help you. Steve Karen with RE/MAX Preferred.